In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install AIDER, an AI coding assistant, on your Windows computer. So here I'm on my web browser and I want to go check their website. I think it's AIDER chat, and this is their very lovely website. I think it is well documented, so you're not going to have problems. So these seem to be the steps that you need to install AIDER and also the LLM you intend to use. So let me try. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk into my directory where I want to install that. So I'm going to click on that and open my PowerShell here. And I'm going to make directory. Let me make it larger. Sorry, let me just clear that. CLS. I don't know what I'm doing here. All right. So I'm going to make, let me just check where I am first to be sure I'm where I want to be. Yes, I'm where I want to be. So I am going to make directory and I'm going to call it AIDER. I'm going to cd into AIDER. So I'm going to clear directory again. I am in AIDER. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open my VS Code. There is my VS Code, and I'll wait for it to settle. Then I'm going to connect to my PowerShell again via my VS Code. Yep, I know there's no Python path. It's my terminal, it's my PowerShell terminal. I'm going to make this a bit large here so that you can all see. And I am in my directory that I just created called AIDER. And there's nothing in that directory. So I'm going to initialize it using UV. And I'm going to initialize it with 3.12, Python 3.12. And here it is. It is creating a few files for us, which is lovely. And I am going to install. How did I get this? Sorry, let me do this again. CLS just to clear. Okay. So I'm going to add AIDER chat here. Let's see how it goes. And while I'm adding, it is going to create an environment for us. So now I'm going to just activate that environment. This is how you do it in Windows. I'm sure Mac or Linux, they have another way of doing it. I just know how to do that in Windows. I'm going to clear my screen again. And here we are activated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the website and see what I need to do. So this is how to activate Sonnet 3.7. So I will require me going to the Anthropic website to get my API key. I already have this kept somewhere. This is my API key. It's not completely shown here. If you want, you can create another one here. But I don't want to create another one because I already have it. So all you just need to do is create, give a name if you want to, then copy it, and then go and paste it there. So I would do it another way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using Sonnet. So I'm going to copy this one out. Copy. And where's my VS Code? I'm going to paste you there, but I need to replace. I want to replace that word key there because I need to paste the key itself. I made a mistake here. Let's wait for it to see what happens. Yep, there's a mistake. So I'm going to cancel it. Good. And I'm going to do that. Okay, there we go. So yes, I want to see what's new, and it's giving me the release history. That is good. And what else? So here we are. Next is for us to code. So what I'm doing here, the way I've done it, it's my TOML file here would have everything I've installed in the dependency. And I just like using UV. That is all. It's not like it's nice. It's nice to have that ability that UV brings to the table. Okay, let's see. So how do we build something? Let us tell it to do that. Build me a calculator app using any dependency find useful. All right, here it is. It's telling me how it's going to build it, and you can see it's building. Oops, what happened? I am getting an error. Okay, nope. There was no error. Still working. So what I can see here, it has chat history here. It has some form of input history. I'm sure this is useful. Let me just take a look at this. This is so it's trying to build it. It's using Kinta. Okay, simple. And show me the tokens. Show me how much everything here costs. About 3 cents. Lucky me. Yeah. So create new file. Yep. All right, let me just start to create it.txt. Create new file. Yep. Yeah, let's see, run the shell command. So it's going to run the calculator for me, and here is my calculator. So 9 times, 8 times 9. Hope that is true. Wow, well, something wrong with the calculator here. 5 times 5, 35, then it keeps on writing. It doesn't reset. Okay, it seems to have done it, which is nice. So I could end, it has ended it. Can you include the dependencies in the pipe project. The thermal file. Let's see if it's going to do that. So let's go to the pipe project, the thermal file, and see what it does to it. I don't know what it is doing, but it has a requirement of just here. Okay, there's nothing here. Okay, says no external dependencies required for this calculator app. It uses the standard library skin tone module. Okay. That means it has nothing here to include, huh? But it seems to be doing some stuff. All right, so it cost me 5 cents here. Allow edits to file that has not been added to the chart. Let me just trust it. Let me trust it. And let me trust it again. So all these things have been created. Like I said, there's nothing. Oh, okay. Quite a number of things have been added here. All right. Run shell commands. It is going to run the shell commands. There is a problem. Let's go ahead. Keep saying yes. Okay, it's done again. This is a simple app. I've never built a calculator app before, but AIDER can, and I'm sure it can help in tackling some other issues. This is a very simple trial. If I get to build something bigger with AIDER, I will let you know, and I will share it with you on the channel. So that's it from me, and ciao everyone.